Hey guys, so I'm in my bedroom right now and I'm getting ready for a grad party, and I've had so many questions on my mascara routine. So this video will be a in-depth mascara routine. Okay, so first I use Grande Lash, but I use it at nighttime, and I started using it like maybe 2 weeks ago, and my lashes are pretty long. Okay, so what I use, so this is a Tweezerman lash curler. I've literally had this for like 2 years and it works amazing. And for mascara, I use L'Oreal Telescopic and then Lash Sensational. This one's very old, but it works. Nay Dried Out Sky High. Here, we're gonna bring you guys close. Okay, so I get my lash curler and I kind of go like this and make sure I have all the lashes. And then I clamp down for like 20 seconds and I just keep like pulsing. Okay, that's what we're looking like. And my eyes kind of watering, but that's fine. Okay, so then I use Sky High. You kind of have to work fast before they fall because my lashes fall pretty fast. But you don't really want to touch the base, and I kind of like go on the ends and I just get a light coat. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Okay, got them all evened out. Next, I use Telescopic. This one is not dry at all, so yeah. And then again, I don't really touch the base, and I kind of just like coat them and make it like even. Okay, that looks bad. It's fine. Oh god. Okay, this should make it look better. This is the Lash Sensational. It's very dried out, but it's low-key really good. And then you just kind of make it even with this one and like never touch the base with any of these, because when it touches the base then it makes it just like moist at the bottom and then they just fall and then it's ugly. Oh, also don't be afraid to get it on your like eyelid. Okay, so now after I've done that, you can't really see because of the mascara on my eyelid, but the ends look kind of thin. So then I use more Telescopic, and I just go over the ends lightly. And then I kind of just keep doing this process until they don't look clumpy and until they look like smooth and even. But if your curl isn't good, then the lashes aren't gonna look good, so like it starts with a good curl, which is why you need a good eyelash curler. Okay, that looks great. We're gonna do this side. Again, starts with a good curl. And when you curl, you're going to want to make sure you're as close to like the base as possible. Or like as close to your eyelid without like obviously pinching your eyelid. Then you can just recurl that. Okay, they're going to fall really fast, so I would have to go fast, okay? There we go. I think I caught it. It's genuinely an awful angle of me. Okay, so they look kind of clumpy, but if they do, this one is like really good to fix that. Okay, they're all done. Now I'm gonna clean my eyelids. Okay, what I do is I get like 3 or 4 Q-tips, and then I have my cellar water. Oh my god, you can see it right now. And I just like this, like get some on, and then watch the transformation. And then I use the other end, because obviously it's not fully clean yet. Okay, they're all clean. They obviously don't look perfect, but sometimes if I do them before school and then I get home from school and then I curl them again, they look really good. But that is my lash tutorial. Let me know if you try it and put some pictures in the comments so I can see what it looks like. But that is it. Bye guys.